Namaskar. We would like to welcome you all in our AYUSH Samriddhi's 1873rd webinar. The topic is AYUSH in Karnataka, History and Development. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining. I would like to congratulate each and every Karnataka resident. My daughter is also there amongst you, sir. So, for Karnataka State Foundation Day, Kannada Rajyotsav Divas, I would like to welcome Dr. B.S. Sridharji, Dr. Jayaprakash Narayan ji, Dr. Sarveshwar Karji, Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty ji, and Dr. Sophie ji. Thank you. Thank you very much for confirming our invitation, accepting our invitation. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Gurudev, Professor Lakshmikant Dwivedi sir, for brief preamble. सुहास सेठी जी नमस्कार. बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. आदरणीय गुरुदेव. मैं तो ये जानता हूं कि कर्नाटक एक ऐसी परंपरा का नाम है जहां मतलब बहुत ही अलग, नॉर्थ इंडिया से बड़ी अलग अलग परंपराएं कर्नाटक में जीवित है. तो मैं समय नष्ट न करते हुए आदरणीय लक्ष्मीकांत द्विवेदी सर से प्रार्थना करता हूं उनके प्रारंभिक आशीर्वचन की.
नमस्कार। ये जो क्रम है आयुर्वेद के विकास का और इतिहास का, ये अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में बड़ा ही रुचिकारक है। और जिसको, क्योंकि इतिहास पुराणाभ्याम वेदम समुपब्रह्महेत करके जो सिद्धांत है, उसके आधार पे हमको भारतवर्ष के जितनी भी छोटे छोटे राज्य थे, आज तो कम हो गए, बाकी पहले इनकी संख्या बहुत थी। हर हर छोटे राज्य में एक राजवेद्य होता था और उनके साथ एक टेक्स्ट बुक या हैंड बुक होती थी। उस अनुभूत योगों के आधार पे, मुष्टि योगों के आधार पे वो लोग चिकित्सा करते थे। ये मेरी एक समझ बनी है योग विज्ञान के उसमें। और विभिन्न ग्रंथ भी जब देखते हैं तो इस तरह का स्वरूप हमको मिलता है। तो उस दृष्टिकोण से देखें तो कर्नाटक के लिए वहाँ का जो ग्रंथ हैं, वो कितने राज्य पहले थे वो मिलकर के आज कर्नाटक बना हुआ है, वो वाली स्थिति देख करके। तो जो शेड्यूल बुक है उसमें भी हम देखते हैं तो 54 बुक हैं। तो वहाँ की कौन सी बुक है उसको भी समझना चाहें या इस तरह की चर्चा हो। और फिर आयुर्वेद के पठन पाठन का जो ब्रिटिश राज्य के बाद डेवलपमेंट हुआ, उसकी भी चर्चा हो, तो उसका इतिहास इतिहास की पुस्तकों में कम मिलता है, क्योंकि वहाँ सिलेबस के हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत लिखा जाता है। फिर भी कुछ इस तरह के ग्रंथों के बारे में सूचना हमको मिल जाती है। तो आज की चर्चा में अगर इस तरह की भी कोई सूचना मिले, और फिर आजादी के बाद का 70 सालों का विकास और आज का स्वरूप, इसको हम देखें, तो निश्चित रूप से आयुर्वेद का विकास तो हुआ है, किंतु आयुर्वेद व्यवसाय का और भी ज्यादा विकास हुआ है, ऐसी मेरी समझ है। इसके साथ में मैं सभी आज के जो वक्ता हैं उन सभी का मैं सम्मान करता हूं और हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। डॉक्टर B.S. श्रीधर, डॉक्टर जयप्रकाश नारायण, डॉक्टर सुरेश्वर कुमार और डॉक्टर सुहास कुमार सेठी और गुलामुद्दीन सौफी जी, सभी को मैं साधुवाद दूंगा। आज की चर्चा सत्र में जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद। आइए चर्चा शुरू करना के लिए निवेदन है।
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं डॉक्टर सुहास शेट्टी जी को सर्वप्रथम यंग, एनर्जेटिक, ब्रिलियंट एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल डायरेक्टर एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ बेलगावी, KLE बेलगावी कॉलेज, excellent college, and the best director, Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty. Welcome.
Thank you, Pawan sir. Thank you for all the opportunities and the blessings that you always have been giving to us and our institution through various platforms, inviting various faculties, our institutions, and also providing this wonderful opportunity. Very nice to see that the Ayush Samriddhi is growing bigger and bigger every day. And now we are celebrating 1873rd episode. And in few days or few weeks to come, we'll be celebrating the 2000th episode of this continuous series. We can understand conducting one or two webinars is so challenging for any institution, but singly handedly, Pawan sir has been doing wonderfully well. We really would like to salute his commitment in this wonderful journey, and we will always be very happy to possibly provide all possible support for his great venture. So, wishing all the participants a very happy Kannada Rajyotsava or Karnataka Rajyotsava. Before we could talk a little bit about Ayurvedic education or Ayurveda in Karnataka, let me just talk few things about this great state of Karnataka. As you know, this is one of the most ancient, known for its rich culture, heritage, language, significant teachers from Ayurveda have come out of this, and we are very fortunate to be blessed under various dignitaries, and many such senior teachers will also are joining us today. Most senior teacher Jayaprakash Narayan sir, B.S. Sridhar sir, and all senior teachers are also joining. It's a great moment for us to see their vision and their journey, which really inspires and motivates all the young generation practitioners like us. In fact, this is the 69th Foundation Day or Kannada Rajyotsava that we are celebrating. In fact, it was yesterday. Along with Karnataka, more than 10 other states celebrate this Foundation Day. Few in the south, few in the middle, and few in the north India celebrate this Foundation Day. In fact, it was in 1956 when different Kannada-speaking areas or political regions were amalgamated, and it became a part initially called as the Mysore state. And then later on in 1973, under the then Chief Minister Sri Devraj Aras, it was renamed as Karnataka. And since then, we celebrate this day of formation or the Foundation Day on the 1st November. And this has been always been a great moment for all of us to remember the sacrifice and the contribution given by different people for the growth and development of the state of Karnataka. And coming to the how Ayurveda has been developed in this great state. Uh, since there are other senior teachers to speak, probably I'll focus on three main areas that I would like to speak. The first one is the genesis or the generation or the formation of our institution as one of the oldest institution of this state. The second is like how, in terms of the support that we have been able to get from the Department of AYUSH, Government of Karnataka, and various other initiatives, and the fund allocation that has been done. And third, probably talking a bit about the medical tourism, the scope and opportunities. So these are the three main areas that I'll be focusing upon. So initially, talking about our institution, KLE Shri B.M. Kankanwadi Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, which happens to be one of the oldest uh, institution after the Government Ayurvedic College Mysore, which has more than 100 years of its inception. We, as an institution, was started in 1933. So it's more than 91 years that institution has been established. And if you just look at this very motivational story behind the formation of this institution in 1933, as you know, Sri Basapanna Malapanna Kankanwadi was a very renowned police officer who was really mesmerized with the wisdom of Ayurveda. In fact, his wife was suffering with the cancer, and he went to different places where we couldn't find some solutions. Later on, he met with an Ayurveda Vaidya who said that I'll treat this your wife after 15 days at this particular period of time. In fact, she died at that particular day or that particular period of time when he said that he'll be able to provide the treatment. So, devastated by the death of his wife at an age, Sri Basapanna Malapana Kankarwadi went to uh, the Vaidya and asked about how we could predict such things. So later on, he mentioned about the principles and practices of Ayurveda and how there are the personalized predictions, preventive care, as well as the various types of Arish Lakshana that has been mentioned. And then he mentioned all about the how this science has been evolved. So he was so much impressed by his and the wisdom of Ayurveda that he wanted to donate his entire earning of then 50,000 rupees to establish this institution way back in 1933 by the name of Ayurveda Karnataka Ayurveda Vidyapit. And it was initially started in the Lingaraj campus of the Yali Society. And later on, in 1938, it was moved to the Khasbagh campus, where at present we have our present pharmacy. And then in 1960s, it was moved to the present campus where we are working. Initially, it was an aided institution. It was taken over by Yali Society in 1990. And then it was under Rajiv Gandhi University up till 2009 when it was coming under the ambit of KLA Academy of Higher Education and Research. So since then, there has been a significant, principles, significant like we have Dr. Hiremat, Dr. Angadi, Dr. S.R. Ahmed, and we had many such. In fact, the previous principal of our institution, who is presently the president of Board of Ayurveda, Dr. P.S. Prasad, all the earlier principals, teachers have done significant contribution for the growth and development of this premier institution. And now there has been a significant growth that we could see, especially in terms of the education, in terms of healthcare services, in terms of research, in terms of innovation, like coming up with something called as the IoTech department, incubation centers, various research funding agencies. One of the best in terms of the higher education. So there has been so much of uh, happening in the institution, and recently in the Quality Council of India also, the institution was graded as A grade among the very few institution which was graded. So it all signifies or certifies the quality of education the institution has been giving, and definitely with the guidance of various senior teachers, we definitely take this to the new heights. Coming to the second point that I was able to discuss was the contribution of the Department of Ayush for establishing the department initially under ISM, and now the Department of Ayush from the government of Karnataka also has been doing significantly great contribution. As of now, we have four government colleges where they have been doing significant contribution for the growth and development of Ayurveda. Their teachers, their people who are passing out of this institution have been practicing and playing a significant role for Ayurveda also. At the same time, we also have a research center established in Mysore, one of its kind. The government Ayurveda Research Institute established in Mysore also have been doing significantly well in capacity building of various people from different parts of the state, uh, doing significant enough for their growth and development. Also, we have various CCRS unit established, especially the CCRS unit established, two institutions established in Bangalore have been doing significantly well, especially in the area of metabolic disorders, diabetes, also being now NABL and age accredited institutions. And the third point that I would like to focus upon is the contribution in area of the medical tourism, because this is one of the area, the health tourism or medical tourism is one of the biggest area that can be contributed from the state of Karnataka. Again, there are different type of participation from the North Karnataka as well as South Karnataka. It is more popular the southern part of Karnataka with Bangalore, Mysore, having established good amount of clinics, hospitals, resorts, etc., propagating Ayurveda and medical tourism. Still, there is a lot of scope and challenges for its establishment in the northern part of Karnataka. But with so much of important historical places, maybe in and around North Karnataka, like Hampi, Badami, Aihole, Pattadakallu, Bijapur, Belgaum, etc., which has a lot of historical places, palaces, forts, etc., has a good scope for developing as a medical tourism. But only biggest challenge that we always have is the proper regulation and the monitoring of the quality and standards of its care. And if this is taken care, probably we will definitely be able to grow in the newer heights. And with the contribution that we had in the past and the potentials that we have in the present, we definitely have a great future to contribute from the state of Karnataka. So once again, I would like to wish all happy Kannada Rajyotsava and especially thank Pawanji for this wonderful opportunities and looking forward to hear from the senior teachers in this panel. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Swaji. You are best as ever. Thank you. Thank you very much. You have explained everything. Now I would like to request legend Ayurvedacharya of Karnataka, respected Dr. Jayaprakash Narayan ji. Welcome, sir. आप इतिहास पुरुष हैं. आपसे हम कर्नाटक का इतिहास और वर्तमान दोनों ही की प्रार्थना करते हैं.
Thank you so
वेलकम
much,
सर.
sir. Namaskar, Pawan Kumar, and all other participants in the discussion. In fact, I am extremely impressed with Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty, who has spoken all about the various Ayurveda institutions and how Ayurveda has been established in Karnataka. He has already made a very good statement. In fact, it is so nice to hear that Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty ji has already mentioned about the various colleges and the students and their quality and the various universities that have been established, and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences is already there, where all the colleges of Ayurveda have been under the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. And as of now, as we have discussed earlier, the Karnataka Ayurveda Registration Board already has reached beyond 50,000 the registration of the various practitioners, of course, from the beginning. But of late, as the people who have already left the planet, there may be about 30,000 plus practitioners who have been practicing. And now I feel I am so proud to say that the demand for the Ayurveda colleges in the Karnataka state has increased enormously, and a lot of students have been also entering the Ayurveda medical college as a first choice. Earlier, whenever we discussed with various students, they used to say that I am interested in modern medicine or I am interested to enter the medical college. But of late, we find that people have a priority to join the Ayurveda medical college. And another very important thing is that there are very lot of quality Ayurveda medical colleges when compared to the other colleges in the various states. Karnataka has a very good number of Ayurveda medical colleges, and all of them have been doing very good. and their inpatient is also very nice, and they have all the facilities of Ayurveda, and all the, I should say, the super specialty therapies and medicines and all that have been now provided in these hospitals which are attached to the Ayurveda medical colleges. And even the manufacturing units have also enormously increased, and the quality Ayurveda medicines are being produced. And as we all know, the quality control of India, the grading quality when they have done, the Karnataka stands the fourth in the beginning. Four colleges have been identified as the first four colleges, and among the 20, another three have been added into that one. That means we can understand what is the quality of the Ayurveda medical colleges that are being maintained, and the teaching staff, we should really thank them for having been responsible for achieving this quality grading in Karnataka. And the Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty just said that the directorate, we have now the commissioner, Ayurveda commissioner in the AYUSH department, who has been heading the department, and the Ayurveda board registration. All these organizations have been doing a great job. And the students are so much impressed whenever we used to interact with the Ayurveda students. Earlier, they used to say, I was interested to enter medical college, but since I did not get a seat, now I have come to Ayurveda Medical College. And now I have also interacted with various colleges whenever there is a meeting or there is some function, and then I also participate in the function. Students say that we are impressed with Ayurveda, and this college of ours has been giving us the various knowledge and things like that. And there are various other private organizations also, like for example, the Ayurveda Academy, which is placed in Bangalore, has been conducting a 10-day program which is free for the participants. About 300 to 400 students, they come from all over the country. The Ayurveda Academy performs the 10-day program wherein they teach. Incidentally, I am the president of the Ayurveda Academy in Bangalore. We teach them how to study the original classic and how to implement the original knowledge that they get from various textbooks, how to implement that, all that they have been getting, and including the manufacturing of the medicine, the preparations of the medicine, the diagnosis of the disease, all that have been said. And today, as we know, there are various other organizations also who have been conducting similar kind of programs, and they have been educating the Ayurveda students, and they are becoming the great torch bearers of Ayurveda. And many people from Karnataka have reached various parts in the globe. And another issue, I have visited various colleges and hospitals where I see people from all over the world are coming here to undergo Panchakarma therapy or various therapies, and they are happy. Even after the therapy, also they do mention their interaction has been so very good that they are impressed with the treatment that they had, which the other parts of the world, when they underwent Panchakarma or various other treatment, they were not impressed. That means the quality of this treatment is being maintained very well in Karnataka. As Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty ji said, the 69th Karnataka Rajyotsava Day has been conducted yesterday. November 1st is the day to conduct that one. And simultaneously, the Deepavali is also has been conducted. And with all this information, I wish to congratulate Dr. Pawan Kumar Sharma ji, who has been organizing this kind of interaction, and the knowledge will certainly reach the entire globe. And as we all know now, the World Ayurveda Congress is also being conducted in Uttarakhand, that is Dehradun, from 12th to 15th of December. And the other day, on the Ayurveda Day, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji was talking about the Panchakarma, and he has been mentioning that Heal in India And Panchakarma is the one that he also mentioned that people all over the globe would come to India to undergo the Panchakarma therapy. And I have been also visiting the various countries. Recently, we had a few people who had come from Canada. They all underwent the Panchakarma treatment, and they said that they were doing very well. Earlier, the lady who had come was suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. After the Panchakarma and various Ayurveda treatment, she has recovered so very well. So these kinds of examples we have a lot in Karnataka, and I am sure that the days to come, the whatever our Honorable Prime Minister has said, heal in India, this will certainly happen. Also in Karnataka will also become one of the major states of the treatment that is available through Ayurveda. I thank Dr. Pawan Kumar Sharma ji for having given me an opportunity. I have the other speakers also. Thank you so much, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, sir. This platform is yours. Please guide us how to start a series in Kannada. You are here. Dr. Sarveshwar ji is here.
Yes, sir.
Suhas ji is here. Pranam, pranam sabhi ko. We can start a weekly or fortnightly Ayurveda series in Kannada language for Kannada experts. Please guide us.
In addition to that, the number of people that have been increased is also due to the insurance that is available now. Well, earlier the insurance was not available, and now the insurance is also available, and people are happy to get that and undergo the treatment. This is one
Very right, sir. Very right.
number two.
We have our 5,600 plus YouTube subscribers.
Exactly. Yeah.
So if we can circulate that into interested persons, our message will go loud and clear to the society.
Very right. And
Thank
as
you.
he was also mentioning about our Honorable Prime Minister talking about Panchakarma, recently,
Yes. Yes, sir.
as we are aware that the International Academy of Panchakarma also has been established now. So this will go a long way in inviting people and getting the people from all over the globe to get the best treatment of Ayurveda. I'm sure that it will reach the greater heights. Thank you so much, sir.
After 5 or 7 years, sir, my dream is that we will be the resource hub for Ayurvedic experts. Experts, clinicians, therapists, administrators, researchers, everything will be cultivated here and exported to all over the world.
Correct. Very right.
Thank you. Thank you,
All
sir.
right.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I would like to request Dr. Professor Sarveshwar Karji. Professor Sarveshwar ji, pranam.
Namaskar,
Swagatam.
sir. Namaskar, sir.
Swagatam. Swagatam.
Namaskar, sir. I'm audible?
Namaskar. Swagatam. Swagatam ji. Swagatam.
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, clear, clear.
My prayer to the lotus feet of Lord Dhanantori and seeking the blessings. Also, I submit my prayer to the lotus feet of His Holiness Jagat Guru Desikandra Mahaswamiji Sikkata Sutur and to the lotus feet of Param Pujya Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Gurudev, Heart of Lim, Bangalore, and to the lotus feet of Param Pujya Dharmadhikari ji, Sikkata Dharmasthala, seeking the blessings, Sri Biran Hegde ji, and all the gurus, those that led the Ayurveda, that what we are today, we are cherishing the golden era of Ayurveda. Among that also, lively, Dr. Jaiprakash Nara is there. He is also one of the person who has contributed. Excuse me. Yes. Kannada Rajyasabha, yesterday we have celebrated. Although I am not from Karnataka, I have cherished the great heritage of Karnataka. The land I call it is known for its spiritualism, the heritage, and the culture. the three dynamism of which in Bharat, the Ayurveda and Bharat, both they stands for, it is reflected in land of Karnataka. Why I want to say, sir, if Ayurveda is having the publicity, propagation, and the support, is the patronage of the spiritualism which is existing in Karnataka in its boundary. Sir, definitely government colleges are there, but in the private sector, by the blessings of the gurus and the Swamijis in around Karnataka land, it has given a boost for Ayurveda. Few example I'll just go to you, sir. Look at Balagangadhara Swamis. There is a college called Sri Kalavarasara Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore. Again, it is supported by and founded by, blessed by Sri Balagangadhara Swamiji, Bangalore. Sri College of Ayurvedic Science and Research, Bangalore. Again, supported and established, blessed by Param Pujya Rabishan Gurudev. JSS Ayurvedic Medical College, Mysore. Again, blessed by Jagat Guru Sri Desikandra Mahaswamiji. That is under JSS Mahavidyapita. We have again college at Gadag. It is supported by, again, the spirituality, that is a motto. DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag. Look at Ilkal. There is a college near to Bagalkot. Again, it is supported by Sri Biramantes Ayurvedic Medical College. Biramantes Swamiji was the patronage for that. Similarly, we have at Kopa. In Kopal, we have, again, there is an establishment, Ayurvedic College, which is leading now, supported by the spiritualism. If you take the diversity of Karnataka, sir, I want to share with my colleagues, I have gone to the nook and corner of Karnataka. The Ayurveda is propagated and blessed by lot of spiritualism touch, in which we could see more than 90 colleges are now delivering the academic excellence, clinical proficiency, and research as well. It is much testimonial and reflected. After a long time, first time the NCSM has done quality assurance and assessment. That is done by the QCI under the NCSM umbrella. And more colleges, out of 55 colleges has got the A grade. Pavan sir, Karnataka has got a maximum college of A grade. This is one information proudly I can share with you, sir. In the 55 colleges list, Karnataka has got the maximum colleges, which is put on the quality education of A grade. Such college, you know probably know about it. All the three SDM college, JSS Ayurvedic College, our college, again that Kelly, that also has got, Sri College also has got, Kopal College also has got, then Kalavaswamy Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore also has got, I think more than 13 colleges from Karnataka has come under A grade out of 55. That shows the quality education is happening here. More than 7,000 students coming every year out of 92 colleges. More than 7,000 students are coming having BMS degree. And again, also, I want to submit you, sir. Bearing maybe few, the quality is the hallmark here. Why it is? Because the colleges are run by the, not by the only a influential person of the society. It is been run by the Swamijis. That means those are the, they talk about the social reform. And it was required in the real time, 20 years, 30 years before. If you look back to the 30 years before, that time JP sir was the, what you call as the, taking the lead for bringing Ayurveda to the mainstream. I have seen his presence during my post-graduations. We could see that how he was particularly in his team, like Dr. JP sir, Dr. Anjana Murthy sir, Dr. S.M. Angadi, Dr. Chanmasaba sir, then Dr. Nagireddy sir, and there are a few names. Dr. Jayashree Madam down the line. Dr. Washan is a no a par excellence clinician. So this no a group of clinicians at that time and the visionary Ayurvedic what you call administrators, they have pulled up the Ayurveda to the different height at Karnataka. Of course, in the today's generations, our Dr. P.N. Raoji at Hassan also play a pivotal role, though he has not come to the central picture. He was also the executive member of the so-called CCIM, but sitting at Hassan SDM umbrella, he himself has made a lot of initiation, producing the most quality doctors and clinicians. Now they are working as a principals, administrators, good surgeons, good clinicians beyond the globe. That is his also contribution. I want to worthy to mention Dr. P.N. Rao's name here. Also, I want to mention Dr. B. Guruvasras, few of the leading clinicians in India and in particular in Karnataka. They are really committed to the exactly the holistic approach of the Ayurveda. Means to say, it is not only teaching the Ayurveda in the blackboard or in the classroom. Few clinicians, they have put forward all their reports, how the next generation can serve society through the Ayurveda. That is, few of them are very known to us. Particularly, I mentioned Dr. Guruvasar sir, and presently also in my young generation, Dr. Kiran Gowda sir also is principal and a clinician. So also Dr. Suhas Sethi sir, he is at Belgaum. And there are Dr. Mamta Madam in gynacs at again at Udupi, and there are more than 50 good clinicians emerging in Karnataka. Those are leading in their respective department, and so also I am also been put forward in a lot of efforts to develop I as a one of the pinner in treating ocular disorders through Ayurveda. You know about Sir Sridharium, which is now more than 300-bed hospital at Kerala, and there are globally citizens has come there and they have taken treatment at different condition of related to eye. And similarly, as Dr. JP sir was talking about Panchakarma, sir, I want to also forecast to you. You please wait another 5 to 10 years. Ocular therapies in Ayurveda is going to contribute a lot because I'm in the same field. I know about it. In the 10 years, this past 10 years, good things is happening in ocular field also. And in another 10 years, it is going to be one of the hallmark in Ayurveda to treat the ocular disease. We have made a lot of SOPs, maybe diabetic retinopathy, optic neuritis, macular degenerations, age-related macular degenerations, and open angle glaucoma, plenty of things. Therefore, the students are coming to Karnataka not only just to take the degree of BMS, sir. My humble submission to you, any student studied in Karnataka, he has got a recognition that he is carrying something from Karnataka. I want to tell you the neighboring state also, in Kerala and in Andhra and Tamil Nadu. The three sources of the medicine, which is plant medicine, animal medicine, source of medicines, and again mineral, which is you are known for that. That's called Rosostadis. Sir, if you're not looking at north, if you're looking only south belt, Karnataka fulfills the all the three sources of medicines judicially used for the patient, but not at Kerala, not in Tamil Nadu, not in Andhra Pradesh. These three sources of medicines, it may be related to the ghee base, or it may be related to the mineral base, Rosostadis, or maybe kasayas, etc. in plant medicines. It is full-fledgedly used by the judicially by the clinician in Karnataka. In other words, any students of BMS pass out from Karnataka, they have got the really update clinical proficiency to treat patients at any level. That is hallmark of Karnataka educations. Of course, there are plenty of R&Ds available here in Karnataka. Lot of committed, what you call as physicians, and Ayurveda is been supported by the government as well. We have a commissioner here. JP sir was talking about, and you sir, JP sir is the pushing it Ayurveda to the fifth. His legacy. Both his sons and daughters are now Ayurvedic physicians and professors. Sir himself has two generations also been partners for Ayurveda. Just like you see that Kotakal, what does for Kerala, and JP sir has done alone in Karnataka to push Ayurveda to the it's a qualitative what do you call as the services. Further, our generations presently we are not looking sir only to produce Ayurvedic doctors. We are now looking for integrations. The call from PM Modi is integrations. At our JSS Ayurvedic Medical College, Mysore, which we are in the 28 years of glorious service, we have done 5 such programs, sir. We have done one neuro integrations, bringing that's called stroke disease management of stroke. We brought modern medicines experts. We brought physiotherapy. We brought nursing. We brought speech and hearing. This program was done 1 year, 1.5 years before, and we have sent the detailed reports of PM Ka Mon Ki Baat because he is now for the integration. We have also done integration program in the pain and inflammation, again with the modern clinicians. We have done again one more integration with the oral disease. Recently, we have done with dental college, and we have again one more program we have done in cancer integration. So the integration is the need of the hour, and for which I think the new generations are very much worth of that. And in the NCISM level, Dr. Prasad, Srinivas Prasad sir, and our chairman, Dev Pujari, they are quite doing a good work now. The new syllabus curriculum, which has been designed, we call as the competent-based syllabus, it has been prolific. It's prolific, bringing in the student mass to learn from the first year, the bedside. They are going to the hospital, they are learning the clinical aspect of Ashtanga, whatnot. I think the way Ayurveda is moving forward with PM Modi's vision and people like you, Sir Babas Sharmaji, since I could see that post-COVID, I think this Zoom online platform is a boon. Yet it has a lot of damage has done, no doubt about it. COVID cannot be forgotten. But the gift of COVID is this online platform. Sitting at home, sitting at any part of the globe, we can share the knowledge. We are committed for that. We look forward for your patronage, sir. I again, what you call as the cherish the value of Karnataka and Kannada language and the food habit also. They are very simple living and high thinking. That is the motto of Karnatakas. The food is two foods also I want to mention here. Japi sir is here. It may be called Bishivala Bath. It's a complete food, which is served in Karnataka from house to house. So, whatnot. Karnataka can be the roadmap for new Ayurveda to contribute globally. With this, I really excited to attend this program when Sarah has informed me. Two more things I want to mention at this moment. Dr. Girdhar Kajia, my close friend, also he is doing a good job in the new generation at Bangalore. And there are few people around us. They are also quite doing good job at this moment, taking Ayurveda globally. Thank you very much, sir. We are really thankful and grateful to you for the opportunity you have been provided. And I'll tell you, sir, Karnataka is always for the quality. Karnataka is always stands for the quality. That is our hallmark. And we are continuously striving hard. Our students are very much up with the clinical proficiencies. It may be Belgaum, or maybe Bangalore, it may be Sri, or maybe Mysore, anywhere else. We are all well out of that. The next generation we are going to produce, they are going to serve the society with a R&D blend and modern touch. Thank you. Over to you. Namaste.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Sarveshwar जी. Thank you very much. मैं अब आयुर्वेद से थोड़ा हट के यू की तरफ जाना चाहता हूँ. डॉक्टर गुलामुद्दीन सोफी जी को सादर आमंत्रित करता हूं। आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट डॉक्टर गुलामुद्दीन सोफी जी, प्रोफेसर एंड हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट in National Institute of Unani Medicine. Welcome, Sophie ji. Welcome.
Hello, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Sir, today I have joined after a very long gap, sir. With your, just you insisted me to come into the form, into this form, Zoom form. So I just joined.
हमें तो आपसे
Basically,
यूनानी का इतिहास कर्नाटक में और वर्तमान समझना है।
exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. सर बेसिकली हमारा जो यहाँ बेंगलोर या कर्नाटका अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये न्यूली डेवलप्ड स्टेट है जो फॉर्मेट हुआ रायलसीमा से, मराठा से और सम पार्ट ऑफ दिस आंध्र प्रदेश। तो बेसिकली ये लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पर फॉर्म हुआ था, लेकिन अब ये कॉस्मोपॉलिटन हो गया है। इसमें यहाँ पर जो है वी हैव ए लॉट ऑफ हिस्ट्री अबाउट यूनानी। बेसिकली ये स्टार्ट हुआ यहाँ फ्रॉम 13th सेंचुरी ऑनवर्ड्स, जब यहाँ पर विजयनगर राजा का की हुकूमत थी। विजयनगर हुकूमत थी तो उस वक्त जो है, उस वक्त उनके पास जो कृष्णा देवा राया है, उनके पास एक प्रिंसिपल था कि ही रूल्ड विदाउट क्रीड, रिलीजन, सेक्स एंड अदर थिंग्स। वो कभी बायस नहीं करते थे। तो उनके कोर्ट में भी हमें दिखते हैं कि कुछ फिजिशियंस थे हु वर अटैच्ड विथ यूनानी मेडिसिन। फिर नॉट ओनली दिस, वी हैव वन थिंग आल्सो हियर कि जो ट्रेड होती थी गोवा से, जो अरबन हॉर्सेस वगैरह आते थे और यहाँ से जो स्पाइसेस जाती थी, उसका अकाउंट एक पुर्तगीज राइटर भी लिखता है जब विजयनगर हुकूमत के बारे में जब वो लिखता है। तो इन दैट वे वी कैन ट्रेस दिस फाउंडेशंस ऑफ यूनानी मेडिसिन इन कर्नाटका फ्रॉम 1300 एडी। लेकिन उसके बाद साथ साथ वो यहाँ साउथ में एक और एम्पायर आ गई, बहमनी एम्पायर। जो बहमनी एम्पायर में भी अच्छे खासे उन्होंने बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनानी को सहारा दिया, क्योंकि उनके यहाँ इराक से, ईरान से बहुत सारे तबीब आते थे, फिजिशियंस आते थे। नॉट ओनली फिजिशियन, राइटर्स, पोइट्स वो आते थे। और उससे यहाँ का इतिहास जो है वो यूनानी की तरफ मुड़ गया। और उसके बाद अगर नई चीज देखेंगे तो हमें जो पैटर्नेज मिली है यूनानी को, दैट वाज फ्रॉम द वडियार फैमिली। उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा लैंड और एक एसेट जो है बेंगलोर में यूनानी के लिए वक्फ किया, दे दिया उसको। और अभी उसी पर गवर्नमेंट आयुर्वेदा मेडिकल कॉलेज जो है बना हुआ है, वहां पर एक डिस्पेंसरी अब भी यूनानी की है। तो इस तरह से हम ये कहते हैं कि वी हैड गॉट द पैटर्नेज राइट फ्रॉम कृष्णा देवराया, बहमनी एम्पायर, देन वडियार्स। और इवन अगर आप टीपू सुल्तान के बारे में एक अजीब चीज बता दूं कि 2 बुक्स अभी आई हैं कि हाउ ही न्यू अबाउट द ट्रेडिशनल पैथीज, यूनानी और आयुर्वेदा के बारे में वो कितना जानते थे, उस पर अभी 2 किताबें आई हुई हैं। तो हमें जो लग रहा है कि मिडिवल एज, इट वाज अ गोल्डन एज फॉर ट्रेडिशनल पैथीज। और उसके बाद उसका रेनेसांस जो हुआ वो अभी जस्ट इन 1700s, जब लोगों ने फार्माकोग्राफिया इंडिका लिखी और दूसरी चीजें लिखी, तो उन्होंने देखा कि देयर इज अ वेल्थ ऑफ नॉलेज इन आयुर्वेदा एंड ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन यूनानी। तो उन्होंने उसका फिर पूरे दवाओं को इकट्ठे किया, उनके साइंटिफिक नेम्स तक लिख दिए। हालांकि उसके बाद हमारे इंडियन ऑथर्स जैसे कर्नल आर एन चोपड़ा है और दूसरे लोग हैं, उन्होंने भी इस पर अच्छा खासा लिखा। और अभी अगर हम उनको देखेंगे, इतनो इतनो बॉटनिकल किताबों को देखेंगे, उसमें भी हमें मिलता है कि बम्बई बाजार में इस दवा का क्या नाम है। और बहुत सारी दवाओं के वही नाम हमें मिलते हैं जो हालांकि हम कहते हैं ये कॉमन नेम है, लेकिन वो हमारे यूनानी बुक्स के नाम है, जैसे बम्बई चाय। और इसी तरह से बहुत सारी दवाएं जो है, अगर उनको ये हम देखेंगे कि इक्विवेलेंट आयुर्वेदिक टर्म, तो वो पूछते हैं ये है क्या, आमतौर से इसको क्या बोलते हैं। तो इस तरह अब भी मार्केट में वो नाम हमें मिल रहे हैं जो हमें यूनानी मेडिसिन के नाम होते हैं। तो फिर उसके बाद जो रेवोल्यूशन आया, जिसको हम क्रांति कहेंगे, इट जस्ट केम आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, जब यहाँ ISM डिपार्टमेंट बना, और अजमल खान ने उसमें अच्छा खासा काम किया। 1920 में उन्होंने नेशनल मेडिकल एक्ट, ब्रिटिशर्स ने, वो चाह रहे थे कि देसी तिब खत्म हो, लेकिन अजमल खान ने उसको खत्म होने नहीं दिया। अलोंग विथ आयुर्वेदा, वेद्स एंड हकीम्स, उन्होंने उस पर अच्छा खासा काम किया। तकरीबन 10 साल वो उसके लिए लड़े, और उसके बाद उस एक्ट को वो खत्म नहीं कर पाए कि देसी इलाज को जारी रखा। और आज ये हालत है कि हमारे पास रिसर्च काउंसिल्स हैं, हमारे पास नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, और हमारे पास बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं। अगर कर्नाटका में आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ एग्जैक्टली 67 आयुर्वेदा कॉलेज हैं, और जो आप दूसरी जगह, दूसरे स्टेट्स में 5 और 10 के बाद नहीं मिलते। अगर हम ये कहेंगे कि आधे कॉलेज कर्नाटका में है आयुर्वेदा के, और यूनानी के सिर्फ 15%, सिर्फ ये 5 कॉलेज ऐसे हैं जो यूनानी को कैटर कर रहे हैं, और एक नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ यूनानी मेडिसिन है जो बेंगलोर में है, कर्नाटका में ही दिया गया। तो इस तरह से मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि यहाँ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स यूनानी के बहुत अच्छे हैं, और मुझे उम्मीद है, आई होप दैट देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ दिस डेवलपमेंट फॉर यूनानी। द रीजन उसका ये है कि अभी जो है हमारा सिलेबस वो ग्लोबल फॉर्मेट पर आ चुका है, क्रेडिट बेस हो रहा है, और उसके बाद जो है हमारे जो NABH स्टैंडर्ड्स पर हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस आ रहे हैं, जैसे तकरीबन सारे नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स अलॉन्ग विथ यूनानी, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ यूनानी मेडिसिन, वो भी NABH एक्रेडिट हो रहे हैं। उसके बाद इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर भी हमारे यहाँ आ रहा है। तो इट मीन्स वी आर नाउ कमिंग अप टू एज। हम अब वो पिछले एंशियंट मेडिकल साइंसेज नहीं रहे, बल्कि अगर हम ये कहें कि हम पोस्ट मॉडर्निस्टिक हो रहे हैं, तो उसमें कोई मतलब मुबालिगा, कोई एग्जेजरेशन नहीं है। वजह उसकी ये है कि मॉडर्न मेडिसिन जो है वो अब भी फिजिकल रियलिटीज के पीछे है, लेकिन हमारे जो ट्रेडिशनल पैथीज है, आयुर्वेदा है, यूनानी है, सिद्धा है, या कोई भी ट्रेडिशनल फ्रेमवर्क जो होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन के बारे में बताता है, तो उनका जो फ्रेम है वो पोस्ट मॉडर्निस्टिक है। वो इस फिजिकल रियलिटी से को लेकर के उसके बाद जो है उसको और कंप्रेसिव करके इवन सोल तक की बातें हम बताते हैं, या वैसी थेरेपीज बताते हैं जो अभी मटीरियलिस्टिक नहीं है, जैसे हमारा योगा है या मेडिटेशन है, ये भी अब जो है ट्रीटमेंट्स में आ रहे हैं। तो इसलिए जो है मुझे जो लग रहा है कि नाउ दिस एज, इट इज ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन, इट इज रियली द एज ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, यूनानी, सिद्धा एंड so on Rigpa. Thank you sir very much.
बहुत बहुत आभार, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। मैं कर्नाटक की ओर से उपसंहार के लिए आदरणीय डॉक्टर जयप्रकाश नारायण जी को पुनः आमंत्रित करता हूँ। डॉक्टर जयप्रकाश नारायण सर।
In fact, it is very interesting that Dr. Gulamuddin Sofiji also said about Unani system of medicine. And of course, we also respect that system of medicine because people do get the benefit out of this system also. These are all available in Karnataka. And another thing is that you see the medicinal plant that is grown, and various people who have been growing all the medicine plants and all that, the quantity has enormously increased in Karnataka. And the quality medicinal plants are also available now, and people have been making use of it. And various manufacturers are depending upon that. Now the medicinal plant society is also existing now, and through that the people also get the benefit. The farmers have been very, very benefited by growing the medicinal plants, and lot of medicinal plants are being used, the quality ones. So with this interest, I must say that you see the Ayurveda has gained a lot of popularity in Karnataka, and people especially like Swarna Prashana, with the immunity developing in the children, we see that it is increasing day by day from hundreds to thousands and thousands to number of thousands of parents are getting this Swarna Prashana, and we see that the children are also getting the very good benefit out of that. So these are all available, and the days to come, I am sure that Karnataka will become one of the best states wherein the Ayurveda treatment, and as of our Honorable Prime Minister has said, heal in India. I am sure, like various in other states in the country, Karnataka also will get the best place in that.
Sir, one thing I want to add, JP sir,
Ji.
look at the successful treatment is Chatuspadam, the four pillars. So we look at you, how you know produce the knowledge system to transfer the next generations. And if you look the competency, clinical setup, the clinicians, definitely Karnataka is ahead. I'm talking about quality Ayurvedic treatment. I'm not talking about Maharashtra is not ahead, but if you look at the quality Ayurvedic treatment, Karnataka is ahead, sir. Because since 30 years I'm watching this. Number two, the quality products, that's called as the Dravya. Now we talk about the Vaidya, next comes the Dravya. Look, the industry available in Karnataka. The Sri Sri Tattva, been blessed by His Holiness Gurudev, Param Pujya Gurudev, Ravi Shankar Gurudev, more than 350 quality products. More than 350 quality products. And they are cow's urine and cow's ghee. It unmatched. It's not matched to any company, sir. The preparation is coming from the Sri Sri alone. And we have also Himalaya companies here, production unit in Bangalore. And SDM also producing at Udupi. They have the R&D. They are producing plenty of products. So many Pawan pharmaceuticals. There are, again, we have our Dr. Damle, sir, is a Trimed. Then we have our Pentacare by Niranjan. If you look, sir, I'm talking main pharmacy industry. There are plenty of also down the line. Nanjung Pharma, SN Pandit, Pandit and Pandit. So these are all quality medicines they're producing. They every molecule they look that it has got quality. And number three, sir, the what you call as the supporting staffs. Supporting staff, sir, which are the institution is running here in the college or maybe in the hospital, the what you call as the teaching hospital. Sir, it is quietly, they are very sensible. Managements are very sensible. They are giving good therapists. Sir, we have plenty of therapists that are trained here. It is not like that somebody has come and do the treatment directly. No. All the therapists are very much well trained. And also the nursing faculties. Number four, sir, very important what I'm talking to you, sir. That's called a patient. Sir, here the acceptable is maximum. And then every day it is getting more and more popularity because of the patronage given by you, or you kept Ayurveda going, and the matas and matadipati, that's called spiritual heads, they are all giving the patronage for Ayurveda. Looks at three institutions under SDM, Dharmadhikariji. They're all now in the top level. Or maybe Balagadhar Swamiji, that's Kalavas Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore, or our JS Ayurvedic Medical College at Mysore, or at Kopal, Sine Oyster Ayurvedic Medical College, Kopal. They're all in North Karnataka, South Karnataka to the south, everywhere. There is a patronage from the Mata, and public as well our, and their acceptability. Therefore, the Chatuspada Chikitsa is well met here with the vision of, and during the Kotojaji, our the secretary, honorable secretary, which is now, I think, 8th year, what revolution has made by the Padma Shri Kotojaji. So, Ayurveda is golden era. What you have done 30 years before, sir, we salute you that you kept, I think your vision was there, days to come like this. And phenomenal growth in Karnataka. Ayurveda has got phenomenal growth, sir. And university is already sanctioned by our former CM Edu Passage, but it did not come to the operational level. Otherwise, the AYUSH University is already sanctioned. So we really thanks to the authorities. Sridhar sir is line, I think is maybe line or not line, I don't know. With this Sridhar sir, they're all helped Ayurveda to come to this level. All Madam Sridhar sir and Dr. S.M. Angadi, Dr. Chanmasav sir, Natras sir, Jayashree Madam, they're all taken a lead Ayurveda to bring to this stage. Thank you very much, sir. And definitely, sir, Karnataka is going to lead Ayurveda globally.
Thank you so much. You have
sir, you remember when you gone to Japan and with our Rangesh Parmesar, you came and 30 years before you gave a talk that what Ayurveda in globally, and now the Karnataka is leading that one, sir.
Great.
Thank you,
Great.
Dr. Pankaj. You have really mentioned all the colleges which have been doing, and you have also brought in the names of the people who have been responsible for that. And I wish also to mention that recently we had an international conference in Hands, where the integrative approach has been now recognized by the World Health Organization, WHO. Even in NIMHANS also, along with the other treatments and therapies, our Ayurveda department has also for example, Dr. Kishore Kumar is there, who is in charge of Ayurveda in NIMHANS, and they have started adopting the integrative approach now, along with the various other therapies and treatment that they are getting in the NIMHANS, that is National Institute of Medical Health Sciences. They are also providing the Ayurveda therapies, which have been really helping the patients. That I wish to say. And I was talking about the medicinal plant. I wish also to mention that Natural Remedies, one of the companies who have been the producers of the medicinal veterinary product, they are number one in the world. And that is located in Bangalore, and they have been doing a great job identifying all the medicinal plant, and they are getting the extracts of the medicinal plant which has been approved even by the companies of the United States of America, that they are with regard to the quality they have also accepted it. So these kinds of things are all available with the medicinal plant, the Ayurveda practice and integrative approach, all that. I thank Sharma for
Sir,
giving an
sir,
opportunity
JP
to.
sir, not only the plant medicine, sir, Indian Institute of Tata, that is in Malleshwaram, has
Yes,
already done a lot of Bosmos are already gone for nanotechnology establishment. Like
yes,
Pentacare has done it and Dutta Papas has done it. So Ayurveda is now it is going in a full place scientific basis, sir. Tata Institute of Malleshwaram has done the nanotechnology of all the Bosmos already been established in their scientific way.
Now, with this is that help the people also to trust the medicinal plants and also the various products of Ayurveda, where we use the minerals and metals also. So that has been approved that they do not have any side effects, and they are all very safe in using the Ayurveda medicines in various conditions.
One the 30 second I'll take you, sir. You know that Guruji, Dinaspora Corifolia, which has come in the national campaign as the Sanskramani Bhatti. Then there is a one forum from Kerala which has published that it is doing the liver toxicity. I have done 30 volunteers here, sir, at JSS. Paper is going to publish now. I have done the pre-enzyme and post-enzyme of hepatic. There are no changes. So what they have done is that was not Tinopsora corifolia. They have put in the one more drug of substitute drug they have taken. That was the publication what they have made that it is liver toxicity. So
Right.
so that need to be defended, sir. As a Vaidyas or a clinician, we should defend that what Ayurveda says. They also say the variety of the Tinopsora corifolia, but they have not said that you to use that one. They said to use the usable condition is Tinopsora corifolia. That's called Amrutavalli, which is there in Sanskramani.
Very right.
Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Very right discussion in right direction. Really, thank you, sir. Thank you
No,
very
sir, 30 cases I have done for Tinopsora corifolia, pre-enzyme and post-enzyme. There are no changes. No liver toxicity at all. It's going to publish. It's already accepted. It's going to publish.
Wow, great.
He has gone to Kotajaji also. I have supported to Kotajaji. He said after publication again to send it. 30 volunteers have done it here because you know that's a big challenge. Sanskramani Bhatti has come a national campaign that is for our post-COVID. But not one Kerala group has published that it is doing liver toxicity. But that is a substitute drug. That is not the Nurspire corifolia. I have done Amrutavalli, Sanskramani Bhatti only given 30 volunteers. Post and pre enzymes of liver is normal, sir. No changes.
Nice. Very nice. It must be published and it will be a answer to the modern society.
Surely, sir. Surely, sir. It is going to come within maybe another 3 weeks. It is going to publish, sir. It is already accepted.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now one more legend is with us. respected Professor Lakshmikant Dwivedi ji,
Okay, okay.
Shivaji in NIA, and now in stage at Anand. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
नमस्कार सभी विद्वानों को। आज की चर्चा बहुत अच्छी रही, काफी इंफॉर्मेटिव रहा। और इसी के साथ मैं जेपी सर को और सभी जो विद्वान वक्ता हैं उनको साधुवाद दूंगा। और वास्तव में बहुत कुछ आयुर्वेद में और भी विकास होना है, इसी कामना के साथ में धन्यवाद। शुभ रात्रि।
शुभ रात्रि
बहुत
सर।
बहुत आभार, सभी का बहुत बहुत आभार। वो जैसे देवताओं से कहते हैं ना, हमारी पूजा हो गई, आप आए, और फिर बुलाने पे जरूर आना, ये मैं पुनरागमन है। तो थैंक यू,
थैंक यू
थैंक
वेरी
यू
मच।
वेरी मच।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, द इंफॉर्मेशन
गुड नाइट।
पब्लिक
शुभ रात्रि सर।
शुभ रात्रि, नमस्कार, और एक बार मिलेंगे सर, मिलते रहेंगे
जरूर जरूर।
आयुर्वेदिक के लिए। थैंक यू सर,
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बहुत बहुत
थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद।
गुड
थैंक यू।
नाइट, गुड नाइट।